So I've just spent some time checking out the Likebike LF01 electric dirt bike, and here's my honest take. On paper, this thing looks pretty exciting. You're getting an electric dirt bike with a solid motor setup, off-road styling, and a design that definitely turns heads. It's marketed as a budget-friendly option for people who want that dirt bike feel without spending serious Sur-Ron money. Now, riding experience-wise, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The acceleration is decent for casual trail riding, and it does feel fun in short bursts. But once you push it harder, especially on hills or rough terrain, you start to notice its limits. It's not exactly built for aggressive riding or long off-road sessions. Build quality is where things get a little questionable. Some parts feel fine for the price, but others don't give you that long-term confidence you want in an off-road machine. And with lesser-known brands like this, support and reliability can be a gamble. So is it worth your money? Honestly, if you're a beginner looking for a cheap entry into electric dirt biking, it might be okay. But if you're serious about performance, durability, or long-term use, I'd probably save up and go for a more established brand. My verdict? Fun, but risky.